How to update Roblox on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. Go to search bar and search for Roblox. Click on Roblox and you might find update option instead of play. If you don't find it, simply uninstall the Roblox app. After you uninstall Roblox app, open Microsoft Store, search Roblox like this, and instead of play you'll find get button. After you click on get button, your Roblox will be installed. After you install, in this way you can install latest version simply, and you'll get latest version without updating it. This is how to update Roblox on PC or laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.